Yo, hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here. So it's going to be a lesson number 4, ChatGPT for SMM. So you can jump into the website and it's going to be on the AI basic Coursiv course, which we are going to do right now. It's a ChatGPT, it's basics, and it's the lesson number 4. So when you're going to click that, you will have the summary of the lesson. You will have all the questions and all the answers. They're exactly the same, despite the fact you will be doing, let's say, for argument's sake, third time the same course. Because I was doing in Polish, right now I'm doing it in English. Yeah, everything is the same. It's just programmed to basically teach you the theory. So you can jump into the website. You will have all the lessons already from ChatGPT, and Midjourney is already here as well. So you can just take a look on it. What I can tell, one more thing, I started to put in the first ref link. So if you actually want to use the vid, it's the 50% off for 3 months. So if you want to use it, just use it. I want to say something else. All right, yeah, and then on the website there are some of my books already. So if you're actually into AI and you really want to actually starting to make sort of monetizing the stuff, so I wrote this by myself. Obviously I'm researching stuff through the ChatGPT, but like everything here generally is my work. So what I'm trying to say, if you want to support me and you actually want to have some good source of 10 ideas, and this is not just the book, like I just type it like give me 10 ideas of AI yada. No, this is like 10 ideas which I'm already incorporating, and I will use all those 10 ideas from that book. So if you want to support me and you want to start make money, I already sold a couple of books, by the way, and I just started my sort of quote unquote business a month ago, right? So I already automating fuckloads of stuff. That's why I'm so excited, and I will share with you everything about this. But right now, I'm just going to jump to the basics, which is super excited stuff, is it? I totally understand, like there's going to be lots of people who might just came across my channel and they're just not gonna watch anything at all. But then my approach is I'm not aiming to the people who know the shit out, like they already automating the stuff and they just making like fuckloads of money or some money aside, because they don't need to this channel at all. So I am aiming to the people who they don't have any fucking clue, and my idea is to basically share that knowledge and show to everybody who you don't need to be like tech savvy, you don't need any technical skills at all, and I will just guide you through, despite the fact I might sometimes talk super fast. But if you ask me the question, I will happily answer the question. And then obviously we have the website. Okie dokie. So lesson number 4. I need to do this, and I'm super sleepy, and I need to go and jump into the bath for like 5 minutes. Cold, super frozen bath, and I will be instantly regenerate. That's the word. Okay. ChatGPT for SMM. Going to start that lesson, and as always, I'm going to listen. Unfortunately, this is only available for the courses, like those 4 courses for the ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper, and DALL-E. So you can listen, but then later on, for the rest of the courses which they are not certified, we don't have that. And I'm super sad because I don't know I want to read that all stuff. But I will have to, I guess. Okay, I'm just gonna start.
Get ready to become an SMM specialist. Possibilities of AI are almost limitless, and in this series of lessons, you will work with GPT to create engaging social media posts, develop marketing strategies, and analyze trends. Welcome to the team. I'm Alex, the owner of Eco Goodwill, a retailer of eco-friendly products. Happy to have you on the team. Since it's your first day, I'll help you get started. Your goal is to increase engagement and attract new customers using AI tools like Chatgpt. To do this, you'll need to craft effective prompts and use them to create engaging content. To start, you need a variety of post ideas, including tips, customer testimonials, and product highlights. Let's see how you can use Chatgpt to generate these ideas. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay. A social media expert for an eco-friendly brand, generate the three idea. Like I said, like you have to get used to like if you like totally clueless, just pause the video, I don't know, take a screenshot, go to the website, write down the notes. Yes, you have to understand what the fuck is going on, but like after a couple of lessons, I'll just show you what's the proper approach to how I was learning that. Well, sort of, I was doing all the content in the Polish as well, so actually I was doing this super slow. Experts, 3 post ideas, yeah. But the general rule of thumb, like when you're doing that kind of content and you're already like in the super flow mode, like you just wanna digest, you don't really care about that answer because it's okay and you're just gonna carry on.
Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
There's actually a course.
You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
There's actually a course later on after those, because we have like 4 like introduction to to AI tools, not GPT obviously, but AI tools, and then we don't have any certified courses anymore yet. But there's a plenty of courses which I find like super important, just simply because all the rest of the courses are actually about how to automate stuff through those AI tools which we've been learning before, which you are going to learn right now on the channel. So it's actually lots of good stuff, especially for the people who like me been working not really like on computer. So even if you have like, let's say, some sort of knowledge, then you will have everything on the plate here. And the course is designed into the way for the people who just totally clueless, like you just don't know anything at all, and that's why those courses are made for, which is super handy. Obviously, the majority of people who actually can leverage that, they don't even know there is such thing like that, and that's like a sad thing, but here I am. I will teach you. I need to teach myself first, but eventually. Okay, so what the fuck is that then? Almost done. What should you do after generating close ideas? Go to bed. Ignore the ideas, post random content, take a break, and have some coffee. Oh, that's a good one. By the way, buy me a coffee. I really need a coffee. Ignore the ideas, start over, ask ChatGPT for specific text to start. This one, right? Okay. Ask ChatGPT for specific text to start your post with. Correct answer. After generating post ideas, you should ask ChatGPT for specific text with which to start your post. Try next, blah, 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 blah.
Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned.
Okay. So well, now the align some creative ideas. Now generate some creative ideas for post starting. Okay. Like I said, I don't really want to focus on that because after a few lessons, like if you don't know what you're doing, just then go stop the video and go to the website and just read.
Great. You have great post ideas and text suggestions. Using the same principles of prompt engineering, you can direct ChatGPT to write entire posts by effectively providing all the necessary information. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
New task.
You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
We just remember that we are planning a series of posts for the upcoming Earth Day. Suggest a prompt to ask ChatGPT for some useful piece of advice. Suggest some. Nope. Provide 10 tips. Write about. Give me. Okay, I like that. There we go. That's a good one. And the reason is because we actually asking prompting like provide 10 tips. It's not like suggest some random shit. Basically, that's everything. Like that's some random and shit. So gonna go further into
Message from Alex, great job. With these ideas in hand, you can move on to content creation. For this, you will need well-crafted captions for your products. They also should be engaging and match your brand's voice. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
That's the one. That's the one. I think it's like that. Okay, yeah. Write excuse me. Write a description Instagram caption for a post about the. Write what's that? Captivating Instagram caption for a post about a new YULIGO BLUM products. Okay, okay. The next one, after crafting a caption, you need to add a product description to your post. How would you craft your prompt to get the most effective response from ChatGPT? Okay.
Now, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
After crafting a caption, you need to add a product description to your post. How would you craft your prompt to get the most effective response from ChatGPT? Describe the new products. We have a new product with the detailed description. So I like this one because it's detailed, but let's see. Okay, that's correct. Like obviously you just always want to be detailed. So if it's not detailed, then you just want to put as much detail anyway, if that makes sense. So just always try to do like super big prompt. Sometimes I'm prompting like A4, like honestly, like that. Like it's like fucking, I don't know how many words is it, but just it's good to be open-minded. It's good to have a good clarity imagination. Start to breathing, meditating. Well, good sleep quality is good, but actually I slept 2 hours yesterday. Nevertheless, try to sleep a lot. I'm not telling you it's a good thing to sleep less, and try to expose your body to some difficult things. Like you don't want to go to gym, go fucking gym. You don't want to run when it's raining, go fucking raining, go run when it's raining. You don't want to go to ice bath, nobody fucking want to go to the ice bath. That's why I'm just going in a minute, because I'm like fucking tired as fuck, but I just slept 2 hours. So like, just do the shit you don't want to do. Just callous your mind, and then you will be on a good path to accomplish success in your life. Or you will just die trying, which is still better solution to die trying on your passion than doing some fuck up jobs in some fucking warehouses or whatever places you are working. Even whatever, fucking corpo, doing some shit on the computer, like Jesus, for some fucking retards. Like I just don't understand, like the people who actually make quite decent money, or let's say we're just gonna jump to some assumption, like let's say we're talking about the people who making fuckloads of money. They're still doing the work they don't like to do, just simply because they having like money. So what's the fucking point? So just, I don't know, work for that crappy job then for a year and just accumulate the money, save that, and just do what you like to do. Like, anyway, that's a different topic, different story though. So describe, write detail, okay, details.
ChatGPT's response to the prompt from the quiz. Crafted to reduce environmental impact with materials that decompose naturally, these products minimize waste while delivering high-quality performance. Make the switch today and join us in supporting a sustainable lifestyle.
Make the switch.
As you can see from this example, prompt engineering can enhance your social media posting and make your job easier. The next example supports it even more. Now it's time to put your knowledge.
I actually accidentally moved forward, and here you've been listening to the stuff which you haven't seen, but you have the idea. Fuck it. So I don't even know what's here right now, right? Eco-friendly journey. No, right? The eco-friendly 3 parts. I don't know. It's wrong. Right? Script 3 part eco-friendly. Right? Script 3 part eco-friendly. Okay. Like I genuinely, I don't care because I'm doing it like 3rd or 4th time, but also I'm trying to tell you guys, like, it's super fucking easy to understand, so we don't really need to spend much time here. We don't really need to read that crap. I'm just doing those playlists just simply because, well, I genuinely believe somebody will get something from that, but then at the end of the day, couple months from now in the road, it's going to be totally different stuff here, right? Like automating some shit, like I don't know, doing your own GTPs with just pressing one button on the keyboard to automate your script. Like you're just gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and you're just gonna press one button, and then after a couple of hours, after you finish the work, you just came back to home, and then you can upload, let's say, 2 books into your Amazon Kindle, which I'm doing this on daily basis right now. So that's the stuff which I'm excited about. I'm excited about lots of ideas, but I just simply don't want to jump into doing 20,000 things on the channel because need to be built from the scratch.
For your hard work. That is it for today. Thank you so much for helping. Your efforts are truly appreciated, and you've made a significant impact on our mission to promote eco-friendly living. Your dedication and creativity have not gone unnoticed. Conclusion. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, crafting captions, scripting stories, or doing an absolutely different type of job, clear and specific prompts can significantly improve the quality of your content. Apply this knowledge by experimenting and improving your prompts to unlock the full potential of AI in your work.
Potential. Full potential. Okay, thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. I'm just going to take an ice bath, like 10 minutes. I'll be like fucking freezing as fuck, but then can jump and do a couple of more videos because it's Saturday today. When you're watching that, it's Saturday. Actually, that's going to be Saturday, so that's like today video. It's going to be posted a couple of hours from now, and I actually have an idea to post much more because Gary Vee told me yesterday I'm supposed to do 4 times more work than actually fucking doing, so I just fucking gonna do it. Fuck it.